Your memory just got an upgrade. A new class of AI audio recorders is quietly changing how humans remember. These devices listen to everyday conversations and turn them into structured knowledge. Spoken moments are automatically summarized into notes, reminders, and action items. The idea is simple but powerful. Memory becomes searchable and organized. Instead of forgetting meetings, names, or ideas, AI stores them for later recall. The recorder clips onto clothing and works passively throughout the day. Artificial intelligence processes speech across many languages in real time. Users can later ask what was said, decided, or promised in the past. This turns raw conversation into a personal knowledge database. The technology signals a shift toward externalized human memory powered by AI.